Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, I want to fix a wig. Look at my mannequin head, and the cap is ready already. And I have my wig here, a wig on here. This is deep wave. This is deep wave, and it's a Peruvian hair. I ordered for this hair a long time ago, and I have my closure here. So this is a Peruvian deep wave, and each one is 100 gram. Each one is 100 gram, and I have 300 gram here, and my closure. So I'll go ahead to first of all fix the closure so I can be sitting in the right place. Then I start up with the weaver proper. So I want to fry it right now. I want to apply what I use to make it, style it and make it shiny. I want to apply styling products to make it shiny and beautiful. Guys, I know it's beautiful as it looks, but let's make it more beautiful. It is deep wave, so let's make it deep and wavy. Let's make it deep and wavy. Yeah, it is deep wave, so we're going to make it deep. Make the wave deep and wavy. Yes guys, according to the name. This is what I want to apply. Nova Gold styling mousse. Styling mousse is what I want to apply now. So that here is oil sheen hairspray to make it shiny, guys. So this brush. Can you see, guys? Can you see the beauty of our deep wave? Can you actually see this? It's really beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. So yeah, I told you want to make the wave deep, as in wave, be deep and wavy, and this is what we've gotten after applying our foam hairstyle, after applying our styling moist, which is the foamy substance. Then you make it shine. You can see how it's glittering. Can you see, guys, how it's shining? Can you see? This is deep wave, and this is Peruvian hair. This is Peruvian hair. So tell me how you can't step into any place with this hair. Is it wedding? Is it birthday party? Name it. Is it your office? Stand out, looking elegant and beautiful, looking classy. Guys, can you see this? Can you see this? Yeah. Voila. Deep wave. So yes, thanks guys, thank you for watching. Please, if you are just coming across this channel for the first time, don't hesitate to click on that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, yeah, then click on that post notification bell so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified on time and watch, or you will be the first to get notified. Yes, leave me a comment in the comment section, tell me what you think, if I actually nailed it or not. Yeah, I do appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon with another one. Until then, do this yourself. If you actually have deep wave already by yourself, as in if you already have a deep wave, this is what you need. Anyone at all, I'm not advertising this particular product, this is what you need, and your oil sheen, and you are ready to go. Yeah, so yes guys, can you see this? Can you actually see this? I am really loving this hair. Seriously, I am loving it. It turned out more beautiful than I even expected. Yeah, it turned out more beautiful. It's more beautiful than I expected it. So yeah guys, bye bye for now. I love you guys. Chinelo signing out. Bye.